Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Anju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss here in this video is about SQL related ETL testing, very important questions and answers here. So kindly go through complete video. So you'll be going to understand the proper questions and proper answers. Okay. So before moving to start, if you're not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master to get about ETL testing videos. Okay, so let's get started. So friends, here the first question is, what are the different types of statements supported by SQL? Okay, so statements in SQL is divided here like DDL, data definition language, DML, data manipulation language, and DCL, data control language. Okay, how do you how do we use distinct statement? What is its use? The distinct statement is used with select statement. If the record contains duplicate values, then the distinct statement is used to select different values among duplicate records. Then, what are transactions and their controls? A transactions can be defined as the sequence task that is performed on databases in a logical manner to gain certain results. Operations like creating, updating, and deleting records performed in the database come from transactions. In simple words, we can say that a transaction means a group of SQL queries executed on database records. Okay, so there are four transaction controls such as commit. It is used to save all changes made through the transaction. And second one is rollback. It is used to roll back the transaction. All changes made by the transactions are reverted back and the database remains as before. And set transactions. Set the name of the transaction and then save point. It is used to set the point where the transaction is to be rolled back. Okay, next one is, what are scalar functions in SQL? Scalar functions are used to return a single value based on input values. Scalar functions as follows. UCase converts specified field in uppercase. LCase converts the specified field in lowercase. MIT extracts and returns character from the text field. Format specify the display format. Len specifies the length of the text field. Round rounds up the decimal field value to a number. And what are the triggers? Triggers in SQL is a kind of stored procedure used to create a response to specific action performed on the table, such as insert, update, delete. You can invoke triggers explicitly on the table in the database. Action and event are two main components of SQL triggers. Okay, when certain actions are performed, the event occurs in response to do that action. So create trigger name before after. This is what you have to read. Event or on table name and within square bracket for each and within flower bracket row statement and close the flower bracket and square bracket execute procedure function name, that is in within flower brackets arguments. So coming to next question, how many types of privileges are available in SQL? So there are two types of privileges used in SQL, such as system privilege. That is, system privilege deals with the object of a particular type and provides user the right to perform one or more actions on it. These actions include performing administrative tasks, alter any index, alter any cache group, creates, alter, delete table, create, alter, delete view, etc. Okay, these are comes under system privileges. And what is object privilege? This allows us to perform actions on the object or object of another users, which the table, view, indexes, etc. Some of the object privileges are execute, insert, update, delete, select, flush, load, index, and references, etc. So what is SQL injection? So SQL injection is a type of database attack technique where malicious SQL statements are inserted into an entry field of the database in a way that once it is executed, the database is exposed to an attacker for the attack. So this is a hacking of database. This technique is usually used for attacking data-driven applications to have access to sensitive data and perform administrative tasks on databases. So next question, that is, what is normalization? How many normalization forms are there? Normalization is used to organize data in such a manner that data redundancy will never occur in database and avoid insert, update and delete anomalies. So there are five types of forms of normalization. First normalization form 1NF. It removes all duplicate columns from table. It creates a table for related data and identifies unique column values. First normal form 2NF. So follows 1NF and creates and places data subsets in an individual table and defines the relationship between tables using primary key. Third normal form, that is 3NF, follows 2NF and removes those columns which are not related through the primary key. And fourth normal form, that is 4NF, follows 3NF and does not define multi-valued dependencies. 4NF is also known as VCNF. So next question will be like, what do you mean by stored procedures? How do we use it? A stored procedure is a collection of SQL statements that can be used as a function to access database. We can create these stored procedures earlier before using it and can execute them wherever required by applying some conditional logic to them. Stored procedures are also used to reduce network traffic and improve performance. Syntax is here, that is create procedure, procedure name, within parentheses, that is parameters you have to define, and as begin SQL statements in stored procedure to update, retrieve records, end. So next question is, what are nested triggers? Triggers may implement data modification logic by using insert, update, and delete statements. These triggers that contain data modification logic and find other trigger for a data modification are called nested triggers. So the thing is, you have to go through these questions and answers and read again and again to make perfectness. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, friends. I will be with you with some more important questions and queries. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.